Another day on the creek. Let's look at all of our debris here. This is gray water situation, part D. A little bit of a different course of action. I've filled this trench back in, so no longer is there a loop-de-loop. I bought that thing yesterday. It's corrugated, perforated pipe with a sock on it. I'm gonna take that sock off and put it on this piece that I already had in the shed. Not over money, it was just $5 for that thing, but if I need to run an auger down this line, I can. That one I can't. So here's what's happening. You can see his pipe is straight. This is a boot filled with water for washing things. So, unfortunately it comes out of the house at an odd angle. It's not a 90-degree angle, which was the reason that the odd bends were required. So it comes out here. This first connection I made, this one I had to use a Fernco. That is a Fernco. That way I can bend it just a little bit. Had to make these connections then for it to go straight out that way, which is very nice. And if an auger is run down this line, it has to, it should be okay. So, I need to make this connection just like that, and then that will go into this. So that's the piece to make that connection. Trench, trench, trench. I need to get an extendo piece to attach that to that. Once I glue these pieces together, this will basically be on the end of it, and then this piece, this right here, will come up and allow the drain field some ventilation, which according to the internet is good and will extend the life of such a drain field. So what I need to do is dig out some gravel to make sure that this pipe is able to drain properly. See, it's perforated at 4 and 6. So that goes down like that. There's a bed of rocks. Once this thing's done, it will be this single line, which is super duper. Beginning the draining right there, ending the draining there, with a viewpoint porthole, possibly to run an auger down if need be. I'm going to take the sock off that thing, put it on this thing, just why the hell not? And then fill it back in with some stone and dirt. And I want to extend it so that ultimately the stub up is right about there instead of here. That way it's, not only is it out of the mow line, which everyone watching this video knows the importance of keeping things out of the mow line, but just closer to the fence. So that's the latest and greatest. And then a little bit of cleanup. So if I finish it before San Francisco, great. Probably won't. But worst case scenario, all the gray water will just dump right out there, and that's not the end of the world because it's already on a bed of rocks. And it's not like there's going to be a whole lot of water used while we're out there anyway. So, I will be ending the video now, and I will take your questions.